Hello friends. Before you spend your hard-earned money on home interiors, just pause for a few minutes. Many designs that look modern today can make your house look outdated very quickly. Now the trends have changed. People want homes that look simple, elegant, and easy to maintain. So in this video, I am going to explain the most common outdated interior mistakes and what you should do instead. I will keep it very simple, so even if you don't know anything about interiors, you will understand clearly. Let us start with something very basic but very important, your TV unit. Earlier, people used to make heavy TV walls with lots of panels, textures, louvers, glass, and too many lights. It looked fancy at that time, but now that style feels cluttered and outdated. In 2026, the trend is minimal. Keep the wall behind your TV simple and clean. If your budget allows, invest in a bigger TV instead of investing in heavy decoration. Use a sleek console unit below, preferably floating or simple in design. When the design is clean and less busy, it automatically looks more premium. Now let us talk about your house exterior or front elevation. Many people still use too many colors, sometimes 5 or 6 different shades on one house. That reduces the elegance. A modern exterior should have maximum 2 or 3 colors. Follow a simple rule. 60% main color like white or light beige, 30% secondary color like grey or light brown, and 10% accent color like black or a darker tone. When colors are controlled, your house looks classy and timeless. Railings are another big mistake people are still making. Stainless steel railings were very popular some years ago, but now they look basic and overused. Instead, you can go for matte finish MS railings, vertical box sections placed close together, or plain glass with slim aluminium profiles. These options look cleaner and more modern. Always avoid shiny and bulky railing designs if you want a fresh look. Now let us come inside the house and talk about flooring. Dark tiles, especially black tiles, may look attractive in photos, but in real life they show dust very quickly. Even one day without cleaning and you can see every particle of dust. Instead, choose light colored tiles in matte finish. Also, go for large format tiles. The bigger the tile, the fewer the joint lines. Fewer joints mean easier cleaning and a more luxurious look. In bathrooms, avoid small tiles on the floor. Small tiles create too many grout lines where dirt collects. Instead, use bigger anti-skid tiles. It looks modern and is much easier to maintain. The same logic applies to the tile skirting. Earlier, skirting used to come slightly outside the wall, which collected dust on top. Now the cleaner method is to align skirting flush with the wall so it looks seamless and neat. Curtains also make a huge difference. Printed curtains or short curtains make your room look smaller and outdated. In 2026, the trend is simple, solid colored curtains. Use a combination of sheer and solid fabric for a soft look. Always install curtains from ceiling to floor. This makes your room look taller and more elegant. If possible, hide the curtain rod inside the false ceiling for a clean finish. Speaking of ceilings, heavy false ceilings with too many curves and patterns are no longer in trend. Keep your ceiling simple and flat. You can add subtle cove lighting around the edges, but avoid too many colors. A plain ceiling with soft lighting looks modern and does not go out of style quickly. Now let us talk about kitchens. One common outdated trend is using two different bold colors, like blue below and white above. This contrast style was popular long ago, but now it feels outdated. Modern kitchens look better with one consistent color theme. You can choose pastel shades, earthy tones, or even darker shades if you prefer. Handleless cabinets look cleaner and more premium. Simplicity is the key. When it comes to kitchen countertops, durability matters more than fashion. Good quality granite is still one of the most practical options because it handles heat and scratches well. Quartz is also popular, but always choose good quality material. Avoid very soft surfaces that get scratched easily. A countertop should be strong because it is used every day. In bathrooms, countertop wash basins look stylish in showrooms, but in daily life, they create maintenance problems. Water splashes outside and cleaning becomes difficult. An under-counter basin is more practical because water stays inside and cleaning is easier. Also avoid using harsh toilet cleaners on ceramic basins, as they damage the surface coating over time. Furniture is another area where people make mistakes. Light-colored velvet sofas look beautiful at first, but they show stains and hand marks quickly. Instead, choose slightly darker shades and easy clean fabrics. Always think about long-term maintenance, not just day one appearance. PVC wall panels are also losing popularity. They can look artificial and outdated after some time. Instead, go for simple painted walls, subtle wall molding, or modern wall lights to create an elegant effect. Luxury does not mean adding too many materials. It means choosing the right finishes. For geysers, old bulky cylindrical designs do not look very attractive in modern bathrooms. Today, there are slim and rectangular options available that blend better with the wall. Even small appliances should match your overall design theme. If you are planning parking flooring, avoid very dark or black and white pattern tiles because they show dirt easily. Choose neutral shades or natural stone finishes that are easy to maintain and durable. Overall, the biggest mistake people make is over-designing. Too many textures, too many materials, too many colors. All of this makes a house look busy and outdated very fast. In 2026, the focus is on minimal design, neutral shades, large surfaces, clean lines, and low maintenance. Always remember, trends will keep changing, but simplicity never goes out of style. If you design your home with balance, controlled colors, and practical materials, it will look modern even after many years. So before you finalize your interior work, check if you are making any of these mistakes. Making the right decisions now will save you money and regret later. A well-designed home is not about copying trends. It is about creating a clean, comfortable, and timeless space that you will enjoy every day. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.